2 packages, 1 import path. That's namespace packages. And knowing the trade-offs marks you as an advanced Python developer. A regular package is a directory with an __i, NIT. __p, y file. Python's clear entry point for initialization. A namespace package, available since Python 3.3, has no __i, NIT. __p at all. Instead of stopping at one directory, Python scans all sys.path locations and assembles the package from every matching directory it finds. The key difference: one logical package can span multiple physical locations on disk. This becomes powerful for large SDKs or plugin architectures. Imagine My Company Auth and My Company Payments are 2 separate pip installations, yet both contribute modules under the same My Company namespace. Users simply write import mycompany.auth or import mycompany.payments without knowing the modules came from entirely different distributions. Each team ships independently, and the namespace package stitches them together at import time. No coordination required. There's a real performance cost. Python must scan every sys.path entry to find all namespace contributions, making imports slower. Regular packages stop at the first init.py. More path entries means more scanning. Tooling is also affected. Linters, IDEs, and debuggers all expect regular packages, so namespace packages can produce confusing warnings and harder to trace errors. Use regular packages for simplicity and performance. Reach for namespace packages only when you genuinely need to split a package across multiple distributions. Follow for more advanced Python. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.